Good morning, student. So in last video we had done exercise 8.1 and today we will do next. So first of all you have to know about open and closed figure. First one is open figure. Figures that start at one point and end at another point are called open figure. Figure that start at one point and end at another point is called as open figure. Just an example, this figure start from here and end here. This is the open figure. You can see this figure start from here and again this and this and end here. This figure start from here and end at here. So these type of figure are known as open figure. Start at a point and end at another point, not at the same point. This figure is called as open figure. Now closed figure. Figure that start and end at the same point are called closed figure. The figure that we start and end at same point is called as the closed figure. Example, this figure. You start here and go and go and go and end at same point. The starting point is also the end point. This is called as closed figure. There is no open here. You can see there is no gap between this figure. These are called as closed figure. You start from here and end at same point. This figure are called as closed figure. Now simple closed figure. These are the simple closed figure. You can see there is no gap between these figure. These are the simple closed figure. Which of the figure given below could we draw by starting at the same point, never lifting your pencil from paper and end at the starting point? You don't have to drop your pen in here. You start from there and go 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 and go. This is called as simple closed figure. Obviously A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H such figures are called as closed figure. Obviously A, B, D, H such figures are called as simple closed figure. Okay, these are the definition that you have to know. Now polygon, look at the given figure. They are all closed figure, but there is a difference. What is it? You can see this is figure. A, D, E, F and G are of straight line only. You can see this figure is made of a straight line. This figure is also made of a straight line. This figure is also made of a straight line. But these are the not straight line. They are the circle. Okay. So they are made up of curved line and these figure are made up of straight line. These are called as polygon. Figures made up of only line segment as their sides are called polygon. The figure which are made up of only line segment is called as the polygon. A polygon is a plain closed figure having 3 or more sides. Polygons are those figures which have plain closed figure having 3 or more than 3 sides. Now you can see here number of side 3 and there are 3 sides here. You can see there are 3 line segment and this figure is called as triangle. Number of side 4. There are 4 line segment 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is called as quadrilateral. Fifth number, there are 5 line segment and this figure is called as pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. Sixth figure, this is 6 figure diagram. This is called as hexagon. You have to learn this. This is 7 number. There are 7 sides are there. This is called a heptagon. And 8 figure diagram is called as octagon. You have to learn all this figure. 3 sides are known as triangle, 4 sides are quadrilateral, 5 sides are pentagon, 6 sides are hexagon, 7 sides are heptagon and 8 sides are octagon. You have to learn this. Now angle, when 2 rays, lines or line segment meet at a point, an angle is formed. You can see this is a figure. Here are 2 line segments are made, XO and here XO. And they both are meeting at O. This is called as angle. Okay. Here see. The point where these rays meet is called the vertex. They are meeting here. This is called as O. And the arms of the angle are, there are 2 arms. OY and OX. These are the 2 arms of this figure. And here they are meeting is called as vertex. Where the vertex is the O. So these are the things that you have to know. One more thing I have to show is interior and exterior of the angle. The inside of an angle, that is the region between the rays, is called interior of the angle. The point of the plane that do not lie on the arms of the inferior angle are called exterior. I will show you what is interior and exterior. First of all, you have to know what is interior. Interior means inside the house and exterior means outside. Interior means inside and exterior means outside. You can see there are 2 points outside this figure, that is E and D. These are the exterior part of this triangle, this figure. And you can see there are 3 points B, A and C. These are the inside of this figure. So these are the interior part of this figure. That is the difference. A, C, B are the interior part of the figure, and E and D, you can see these are outside the figure. They are the exterior. Here you can see the point A, B, C are lying in the interior of the angle PQR, and D and E, you can see D and E are the exterior of the angle PQR. So these things you have to know. So in next video I will tell you how you have to do exercise 8.2. But till now you have to read what I had taught you and try to understand and also learn the definition that are given in this exercises. Okay, thank you.